am so excited today. Do you know why? Because we get to see how we move from the crown and the base to the lovely hat. Remember I did a tutorial on how to make the cowboy crown? Remember that? Then from the cowboy crown we moved over to make the base of the hat. And now today we're gonna be learning how to put them all together to form this gorgeous hat. Now if you're just joining me in this channel, you may have missed those trainings, so I would advise you to click the subscribe button and also the bell so you get notified of all my new trainings that would be coming up. And if you've been here before with me, thank you for staying with me and still sticking with me. Let's begin. We'll be needing feathers. That's true. Would you want to know the names of all types of feathers we have? Okay, let me know in the comment section below. Then you'll be needing 1.5 of this fascinator veil, though what you're seeing here is 3.5. Then we need 2 of these flowers. Then cinnamon biases, both the opened and the closed one. If you want to know how to make them, then you want to join the Event Craft Academy Fascinator Class 3. The link is in the description of this video. Then also dots. These are what you put on the fascinator veil to give them those round things, okay? Then Peter Sham, black Peter Sham. Your needle and thread. Now I'm making use of 2 different colors because I'm making use of 2 different colors on the hat. So I have to make those threads available. Then cutter, scissors, your straight scissors, measurement tape, and uhu gum. So let's dive in. So this is the base we made, and I'm checking to see that the Peter Sham will cover it perfectly underneath. And I've seen there's excess, so I'm cutting off the excess and I'm going to do it all the way around. The next thing you do is take your uhu gum and put it on the part on this side, not the inside, all the way around. Then you place your cowboy crown on top like so. Use your hand and try to push it. You could also place it in the mold so that it sticks firmly. I didn't let it stay for long, but I should. If I did, when I bring it out, it won't separate. It will be stuck very well. So this is how you pull it out from the mold so that you can start doing the next. First thing you do is take your needle and thread and start to sew it like I'm doing. I'm going to do it all the way around. Now you can see at this point I need to make use of my cream thread and not the black. So keep watching and learning. Now remember, I do like to give gifts. I'm just like I don't know. I give gifts. Okay, so if you stay to the end of this video, which normally carries the gift question or challenge or whatever it is, you might just be a winner of something. Alright, let's get back to our tutorial, hat tutorial. Okay, so we're done with that. We've put the cinnamon bias around our brim also, which you can learn in Fascinator Class 3 if you want to know how to do that, and if you don't know how to do that already. Now it's time to put our fascinator veil, or you can call it bed cage veil. So the first thing I did was I put it on the mannequin head because I want to know the placement, because it needs to fall down from the side front. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is taking it through the diamonds on the side. I've placed it where I want to be. Now I'll take it through the diamonds on the side and fold it lightly and start sewing. So as I said before, if you don't know how to make the cinnamon bias and you don't know how to fix it on a fascinator, then attend Fascinator Class 3. Okay, let me leak it out. Someone's going to win to attend Fascinator Class 3 if you answer a question at the end. The question is going to be at the end. So keep watching and learning. Once I've gotten it in position, I can take it off the dummy head and I start sewing it all the way around, just half. I'm going to take it from this side to the opposite direction. I think you call it adjacent. Abi? Yeah, take it to the adjacent side on the other side. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so this is the adjacent side. I'll fold it again on that side and start sewing it to the hat. Once I'm done, I'm going to fold the fascinator veil or bed cage veil. I would turn it like a twist and make an N with it down on the hat there. Then I take my open cinnamon bias, the cream one, and place it like so with uhu gum. Alright, I'm going to do that all the way around. Now it's time to place the black open cinnamon bias tool around like that with uhu gum. That's what I'm going to use. And ensure you're covering up all the sewings of your fascinator veil. Now this is my loopy bias. I've already made it the loopy cinnamon bias, and I'm going to form like a bow with it using my needle and thread. Remember, all this bias, the loopy, the cinnamon loop, cinnamon bias, in Fascinator Class 3, the Vent Craft Academy, you get to learn how to make all that. So all you need to do is look in the description of this video. You will see the Vent Craft Academy reception. You go in there and you request for Fascinator Class 3. So now I'm sewing the loop to the hat. I hope you're enjoying this hat tutorial. If you're enjoying it so far and you're gaining value, please do give me a thumbs up. Then we'll take the flowers also and we sew it. Remember, I love to sew anything that is sewable because it makes it more permanent than gluing. So all you need to do when you're sewing the flower is, when you take it through the petals, you can take it big like that in the petals, and when you come out to the underneath the hat, you take it close to the thread so that it's not seen underneath the hat, because the petals of the flowers will cover up the sewing. So keep watching and learning. Okay, now it's time to cover up the place that we sewed the base of the hat to the cowboy crown. So I'm going to be making use of my Petersham and uhu gum, and I'm going to glue it all the way round. we're coming to a close of this hat tutorial now. We're going to make the hat look more beautiful and add these feathers to it. Please do forgive me, I couldn't find the video where the part of where I put the dots on the fascinator veil, but if you want it, please do let me know in the comment section below, so I'll do another video and put it up as soon as possible. So if you stayed with me to the very end of this video, you have a question to answer to get to attend the Vend Craft Academy Fascinator Class 3 for free. And here is the question. How many yards did I make use of? How many yards of the bird cage veil or fascinator veil did I make use of in making this lovely hat? If you know the answer and you're the first to answer, okay, let me give it to 2 people. The first 2 people to answer, you get to attend Fascinator Class 3 for free. So before you leave my channel, why not check out this next video on how to make this gorgeous looking silver hat. So till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.